Good afternoon, everybody. Um, I was given a project, and the project is about analyzing an online retail store sales trends and customer behavior analysis. Okay, this is the project title: Sales Trend and Customer Behavior Analysis of an Online Retail Store. And aside from cleaning the data set, where we were asked to remove null values and duplicates. In this instance, removing of duplicates are not necessary because a customer can purchase a product more than once. And then we were asked to analyze total sales over time by month and by week, then most sold products, top customers by revenue, sales by country, average basket size, that's products per transaction, then time-based processing patterns by days of the week. This is the data we are asked to use. An Excel file from Cargo, obviously. This is the data behind the story, where we have the invoice number, the stock code, the description, the quantity, the invoice date, the unit price, the customer ID, and the country. Okay. Then we are asked to remove the data set. We are asked to remove cancelled columns. That is invoice numbers that were cancelled, others that were cancelled. We removed them. Then we checked for null values. From the null values fell under the description and then the customer ID columns, which we removed. We dropped the null values. So we were not given the column for revenue. So I had to come up with it from the existing column, that is quantity, price times quantity, which will give us a revenue. We have top products. We are asked to come up with, from the data set, we should come up with top products. We should recommend top products according to their most purchases. So these top 10 products now are the top products that are accruing the most revenue to the company under observation, where we have the pepper crabs, all these products. These are the top 10 by revenue. Then this is the top 10 based on quantity, the most purchased by customers. Okay. Then customer behavior analysis. These are the top customers by their revenue. We had to sort them according to their revenue. So in this top 10, you can see that the first customer, the customer ID is 14646, followed by the others. These are the top customers by quantity, the customers that made the most purchases. Some of them are also listed under the top customers by revenue. Top sales by country. These are the countries with the most revenue, the top 10 countries, where the United Kingdom comes first, followed by the Netherlands, then the other countries. This is the visual representation of our top 10 countries by revenue, which shows United Kingdom to be the first country. Okay, this is the account of customers for top 10 revenue country in each country. The count of customers in each country, which gave us the revenue, which accrued the most revenue. United Kingdom, the count of their customers is there, the Netherlands and the other countries. Then inside customers, there are customers. These are the top customers by revenue and their country. Inside those count of customers in each country, there are the top 10 customers by revenue. Our first customer by revenue came from Netherlands. That is 14646.
Sorry, explain this place again. This is
the top 10 customers by revenue.
According to their content.
Yes, according to their country.
So like, if you come to Netherlands, oh, okay.
Netherlands, our most customer by revenue came from
What I
Netherlands.
thought you wanted to do was country by country. Netherlands, top 10 customers. United Kingdom, top 10 customers. Australia, top 10 customers. I thought that's why you wanted to do it.
No.
But still, okay, go ahead. But that could have also been a nice analysis.
Okay. This one is the average basket size. That is the total quantity divided by the total transaction, whereby the total quantity that we have divided by the total transaction that was carried out in our store, and our average basket size is not showing very well. 279 points.
Is this screenshots?
Yes.
Okay.
279.547691. Okay. This is the number of purchases each individual made. We sorted it by revenue. This 14646 is our top customer by revenue. So we want to check how many times the number of purchases they made. This particular person carried out 74 purchases, followed by the others in not ascending order. We sorted it by revenue. It's not the highest by number of purchase. Okay, here I was trying to check the customers that their number of their average basket size is above the mean quantity. That is 279. No customer purchase was above the mean quantity. They were just below the average basket size. Then this is to check their last purchase date, where we have the maximum date. That is the last day according to this data set, which is the 9th of December 2011. So we might know their last purchase date from the maximum date in the data set,
Okay.
which will give us their recency date. See this customer.
Open my picture.
You see this customer. His recency days was 373 days ago, according to this data set. Then these other persons, 330. Then I binned our customers into two groups, frequent and seasonal customers, to checkmate their recency to the company. See that we have mostly frequent customers than seasonal customers patronizing us.
It's like the data sets we use are different.
No, what's different here is the meaning.
The what?
The meaning.
Like the
Like
where they
for the recency.
Okay.
Then time-based purchasing patterns by hour. Here it shows that our most hour for purchases made by customers is the 12th hour, followed by 10, by 13, by 11, by 14.
What time of the day?
12 o'clock.
Like until the 20th hour. Like already calculate on July, no 20th hour. You could have put another feature, 12, to convert it to human readable time format and all of that. Okay, but go ahead.
Okay. This is the graphical representation by hour. Okay. Then, according to weekday, our most purchases were on Thursdays, followed by Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, and then Sunday. This is the graphical representation where Thursday was the highest.
Go ahead.
This is monthly. Here,
Where are months?
this is not monthly. This is weekday.
No.
Okay, this is monthly. This is monthly. Here, November. This is November.
Go ahead.
November. The most sales were made in November.
That's spiritual November. Because it's not physical.
1st of November. That was when the most sales were made. Okay. Then this is by weeks. The 49th week. That was under November too, I guess. This is the graphical representation of it. Then this is
Oh, 4 year.
is where we have top customers by revenue, which is still this guy here, 14646. Then top customers by quantity, the average basket size, customers recent history sorted by revenue. Then we have top revenue products. We have top products by quantity. We have top revenue countries. Then we have some of revenue by purchase hour. Let's check our like by day of week. Thursday was the highest. Then some of revenue by purchase month. November was the highest. It's supposed to be this is not showing.
Is that?
Total sales and total quantity.
Okay.
That's what I did here. Okay. Report summarization of findings and proposed strategies. So after careful analysis of these data sets, this is our 10 most purchased products by quantity. And these products they fall under the high to medium range price range. So the suggested steps to retain this record or surpass it is, since it is between high and medium price range, that means the customers are not really like concerned about the pricing. They are concerned about the perceived value. So you will not have to like reduce the price. Instead, you have to enhance the perceived value, add after sales specs, warranties, guides, and personalized support. Then send personalized offers, sneak peeks, and upgrades of the product they normally buy. Okay. The revenue products. These are the top 10 revenue products that were purchased by the customers. Then the suggested steps to retain these high value customers are to reward frequent high spenders with gifts and access to new products, follow-up emails, getting to know how the product, how much it is of use to them, if it is worth their money, getting feedback, whether positive or negative, because it plays a vital role in every business and it equally helps to build trust. Then maintenance tips or usage guides for the premium products, professional and courteous delivery of service, then frequent restock of inventory to avoid out of stock issues. Okay. Then we are asked to suggest optimal time for marketing promotions based on hours. From the analysis, we noticed that the emphasis was made on the 12th hour. So I recommend that they increase staff presence during peak hours to improve service speed and customer experience, reduce labor costs by scaling down staffing outside this range. Then plan deliveries, restocking, and inventory checks before 7 a.m. or after 4 p.m. Send emails SMS or 8 outside the core hours, so they arrive just before the peak. Then, based on days of the week, sales were made every day of the week, but mostly it was made on Thursdays. So, recommendations: I recommend they staff up their customer support and fulfillment team on Thursdays, stock and prep inventory by Wednesday end of day, monitor site or server load if they are online. Then exclusive points, gift or cashback only on Thursday purchases. Launch Thursday deals or thankful Thursday promos. Then based on month, whereby the sales were made mostly in the month of November. So the recommendation is to begin marketing in late October. They should not wait for November to start their marketing. Send teasers, early access messages, and wish list campaigns. Offer early bird deals to secure spenders before competitors swoop in. Stock the top products that got mostly sold out. Prepare bundles and gift sets which sell faster, then optimize pricing smartly. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. It's nice.